Hello guys, in today's video we are gonna learn how to send IXT from our MetaMask account to another MetaMask account or another wallet. So we are gonna need our MetaMask account obviously, and also we are gonna need to know the wallet address of which we're gonna send the IXT to. So you need to have those two ready. You can have someone send it to you on Messenger or have it somewhere recorded in your notes, in your phone, but just have those ready. And once you've done that, we're good to go. So first of all, when you open your browser, right? I have my browser open. What I did is I opened my MetaMask extension. So when I open my browser, I click on my MetaMask extension and your MetaMask extension should show on the right corner and it looks like a fox. So if you just click on that, it should pop up like this. And you can make it bigger like this by clicking this. So if you click this three dots over here and then click expand view, if you click on the expand view, it should make it look big. You should open it big like this. So just to make things easier, I just wanted to open it big. And now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna click on send. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the wallet address of which I'm gonna send it to. So let me just, I have it here, I have mine here, so I'm just gonna like copy that. And now, so what we did over here is that I click on send, right? So I click on send, let's go back again. And then over here is where you're gonna paste the wallet address of which you're gonna send it to. So I just copied the wallet address of the person that sent me, and now I'm gonna paste it over here. So you can just highlight it, right click. So you can just like highlight it, right? Right click and copy, and then go back to MetaMask and then paste it. And then you can select on the asset and select IXT. And once you paste the right address, the right asset, now enter the amount. So I want to send 10, right? And now I'm going to click on next. And I'm just going to have to confirm this over here. So just scroll down and confirm. And it should send. So over here, it's going to show in your activity section. So if over here in your MetaMask page, you have assets and activity. Right now, I'm on activity section. And in the activity section, it should show the IXT that you're sending and the status. So right now, it says transaction 3277 confirmed, means it's done. Also, you can see the transaction over here. So if you just click on this is our recent transaction. If you click on that, it will show you the details and you can look more in detail over here if you click this. But right now, I'm gonna go through that later, but right now I want to send another one. So we click send again. And I have another address of which I want to send it to. So I'm just gonna copy that. And I'm gonna send it now. So I just copied it, I pasted it, and I'm gonna select IXT. So I click send, right? And then I copied the address and then pasted it. And then I'm selecting the right asset right now. Right now it's taking a bit too long to load. If this happens, just reload the page. Yeah, if that happens, just reload the page. So I'm gonna paste it again. There we go. Now I'm gonna select 10. What? What is happening? Hold on, cancel. Hold on. Okay, there we go. See if that happens, just reload your page. So let's click send again. Sometimes there's gonna be errors, but it's fine. So I click send again and then I paste it again. And now we're gonna go here and select IXT. Now I just want to double check if I have the right address pasted here. Yep, I have the correct one. Now I'm gonna send 10. Next. I'm gonna confirm it. I'm gonna go down and confirm it. Also, make sure you have enough matic to make the transactions. So just keep that in mind. And over there, it's showing, it's loading, and there we go. So there we go. I've just showed you how to send IXT to another MetaMask wallet. We just send it to that wallet addresses from using our MetaMask. So yep. And now we can I can show you how to check the details in status. So if you click on our recent transaction over here it shows the amount that we sent and to whom we sent it to and the status confirmed. Over here, if you click on View on Block Explorer, click on that, it will show you the transactions that we did in detail. So yeah. So this is us, and then we sent it to this wallet. And then over here it says 10 IXT, that means 10 IXT. So that's what it is. Okay, that is it for this video. Thank you for taking your time to watch this. If you like this video or learn anything, please give it a thumbs up, as well as our other videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification bell. Also, if you have any suggestions, comments, concerns, or anything else you want to learn, please comment it down below and we'll be happy to respond and answer any of your questions that you have in mind. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.